Well, hello guys, welcome back to Be Expert. Today we are going to start the NT mock test number 2, part 1. It's been starting from question 1 till question number 30. So, in this video we are going to help you out in solving the test paper 2 from question number 1 to 30 with full detail explanation. Now, let's start. Question number 1. The embryogenesis is the process of the development of an embryo from the zygote. During the process, zygote undergoes. Now, if we look at the term embryogenesis, Now, embryogenesis is the process of development of embryo. Now, this process involves cleavage and differentiation. Now, if we talk about cleavage, cell divides, and if we talk about differentiation, cell forms organs, tissues, and organ system. So, the correct option of this question is option number D, that is both cleavage and differentiation. Now move to next question, question number 2. Most diverse micromolecule found in the cell both physically and chemically are. So the correct option is protein. We know that proteins are amino acid polymer, and there are 20 amino acid present. So, the most abundant macromolecule in the human body is protein, and protein is made up of amino acid polymer, and there are 20 amino acid presents in human body. Now move to next question. The element which helps in oxygen evolution in the process of photosynthesis is. So if we talk about process of photosynthesis, the element which is used is magnesium and chlorine. Now, magnesium and chlorines are the cofactors of photosynthesis. Okay, students. So, the correct option is magnesium and chlorine because they are the cofactor of photosynthesis. Now, these two are involved in photolysis, and this photolysis results in evolution of O2. Now move to next question, question number 4. Although much carbon dioxide is carried in the blood, yet blood does not become acidic because. So the correct option is in CO2 transport, blood buffers plays an important role. Now move to next question, question number 5. The science of rearing, feeding, caring, breeding and utilization of animal and its product is. So if we talk about rearing, feeding, care, breeding, and utilization of animal products. So this all comes under animal husbandry. So students, now question number 6. Which of the following statement is correct regarding the blood pressure? Now, if we talk about blood pressure, so the normal blood pressure in human is 140 to 90. Now, if we talk about the normal blood pressure in human, it is 120 and 80. But if it succeeded 140 and 90, so hypertension is going to take place. And this hypertension release in disbalance or dysfunctioning of vital organs. So the correct option is option number D, that is 190 and 110 mmHg make harm to vital organs like brain and kidney. Now move to next question, question number 7. If the base sequence in one chain of DNA is GCTAG, what shall be the sequence in replicated complementary strand? So the correct option is the correct option is option number B, that is CGTAC. Why this option is correct? Because in replicated strand, thymine is going to bind with adenine and guanine is going to bind with cytosine. So now move to next question, that is question number 8. Chloral cells form the lining of spongiole in the option which is correct is cycon. Now question number 9. Choose the option that is showing the correct sequence of event occurring in each cycle of polymerase chain reaction. So if we talk about the polymerase chain reaction, that is PCR, which is polymerase chain reaction. So we have to tell the correct sequence of process. So first is going to be take denaturation, followed by primer and lining, and after that elongation. So the correct sequence of polymerase chain reaction is denaturation, then primer aligning, and then elongation. So now move to next question, that is question number 10. In which of the following reaction of glycolysis a molecule of water is removed from the substrate. So if we look at the reaction of glycolysis, so glycolysis of water molecule, it releases PEP when conversion of 2-phosphoglycerate, okay, phosphoglycerate. So ग्लाइकोलिसिस ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल जब कन्वर्जन होता है 2-phosphate ग्लिसरेट का पीईपी में. सो नाउ मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 11. The cell junctions called tight, adhering and gap junctions are found in. So the correct option is option number C, that is epithelial cells. So in epithelial cell junction we found tight, adhering and gap junctions. Okay. Now move to next question. Question number 12. So question number 12 says which one of the following is not included under in-situ conservation. Now if we look at in-situ conservation, so in-situ conservation, this terms means we have to save endangered species in natural habitat or environment. So examples of this may be bioreserves and all that, but if we talk about botanical gardens, botanical gardens are example of in-situ conservation. Now move to next question, question number 13. A new crop that is the source of high performance lubricant is, the correct option is A, Simonidea chinese. So if we talk about it, the other name of Simonidea chinese is jojoba, and this jojoba contain more than 50% of liquid wax, which is going to help in increasing performance in lubrication. Now move to question number 14. Question number 14 says the term test tube baby implies that. So the correct option is option C, fertilization of ovum take place in test tube but its development is in the uterus. Now if we talk about for test tube baby, so the term test tube baby is when ovum and sperm are fertilized outside female uterus, that is in test tube. So after the fertilization, the embryo is transplanted into uterus of mother. Now, with respect to the sodium potassium pump, that changes will be observed when one molecule of ATP is used during the process. So the correct option is when 3 ions of Na positive are pumped out and 2K positive is taken in. Now move to next question, question number 16. Which of the following soil bacterium produces protein chemical that is toxic to insect pest? So the correct option is Bacillus thuringiensis, that is B option. As I have told you in the last video also that the questions based on bacteria, the questions based on Bacillus thuringiensis is very important for the point of view of NEET and CBSE board too. Now move to next question, question number 17. What is sarcomere? So हमें बताना है sarcomere कौन सा फेज होता है. So sarcomere वो पार्ट होता है जो कि दो Z लाइंस के बिटवीन में लाई करता है. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी, दैट इज पार्ट बिटवीन टू Z लाइंस. नाउ मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. द साइट ऑफ ADA प्रोडक्शन इन बॉडी इज, द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज lymphocytes. So if we talk about the production site of ADA, it is bone marrow. In lymphocyte cell. Now lymphocyte cells here means WBCs. Now move to next question, question number 19. Which one of the following can utilize molecular nitrogen N2 as a nutrient for growth? So if we talk about the option A, that is ribosium. Ribosium is used in nitrogen fixation. Now why we need a nitrogen fixing bacteria? Because N2 is present in triple bond with two molecules, so it is very hard to utilize it. So first we have to break this N2 in ammonium ions and nitrate ions. Now move to next question, question number 20. Tobacco and petunia belongs to which family? So the correct option is Solanaceae. Option C, Solanaceae. Question number 21. In lichens, the sexual reproduction belong to option A. The correct option is the fungal part only, because the fungal part of this symbiotic relation is going to take part in reproduction. Now move to question number 22. The corpus glands are removed, it will affect. So if we talk about the corpus gland जो है वो help करते हैं in providing a nutritive medium while the sperm is released out from the male. So it is going to help in sterilizing the acidic pH of uterus. So if we are going to remove the corpus gland, the sperm will affect. Now move to next question, question number 23. In petridophytes, meiosis occurs in option D is correct, that is spore mother cells. So petridophytes में meiosis होती है in spore mother cells. Now move to question number 24. Which one of the following pairs is wrongly matched? So option C is wrongly matched because coliforms is present in water which increase the BOD concentration of water. But if we talk about the synthesis of vinegar, the acetobacteria acetate is used in the synthesis of vinegar. Now move to next question, question number 25. Identify the parts labeled P, Q, R and S. Now if we talk about the structure given in the structure, so the P, that is the outermost layer, it is epidermis. The second layer, that is Q, is endothecum. The third layer, that is R, is middle layer. And if we talk about the S part, that is microspore cells. So the first, that is the outermost layer, is epidermal. The Q, that is the second inner layer, is endothecum. The third inner layer is known as middle layer, and these are megaspore mother cells. Now move to next question. Question number 26. Which of the following is a product of dark reaction of photosynthesis? Now, if we talk about the correct option is option number D, that is phosphoglycerate acid. Now, if we talk about the word dark reaction में क्या होता है? 12 molecule of 1,3-biphosphoglyceric acid is converted into 12 molecule of 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde in the presence of 12 molecule of NADPH. Now, if we talk about the number of carbon present in biphosphoglyceric acid is 36 carbons, and the number of carbons present in 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde is also 36 carbon. Now, move to next question, that is question number 27. Which of the following could occur during blotting? Option B is correct for this question, that is elongation of internode. So now if we talk about the word blotting, the word blotting here means elongation of internodes, and blotting is elongation of internodes, and it is supported by the hormone gibberellin. Okay students, so blotting here means elongation of internodes, and this blotting is supported by the hormone named gibberellin. Now move to question number 28. So question number 28 says, which of the following is not a component of saliva? So the correct answer of this question is option number D, that is antibody AGM, because antibody AGM is not present in saliva. Now if we talk about saliva, the saliva is a watery substance located in the mouth which is secreted by salivary glands. So in saliva 99.5% is water, while the remaining 0.5% consists electrolytes Na positive, K positive, Cl negative and HCO3 negatives, and so on ions. So now move to next question, question number 29. The cell wall consists of. Now if we talk about the composition of cell wall, the correct option is option number D, that is lignin, hemicellulose, pectin and cellulose. So all these four are the components of cell wall. Now move to next question, question number 30. So question number 30 says in a Mendelian dihybrid cross, the probability of getting seeds with genotype are small r yy, capital R small r, capital Y small y, capital R small r y, and capital R small r, capital Y and capital Y in F2 generation is respectively. Now let us look at the option, that option A, that is 2/16 is to 4/16 is to 1/8 is to 1/8. So let's see the explanation. Now if we look at the genotypes given in the question is capital R small y, capital R small r, capital Y and Y, small r, capital Y and small y, and capital R small r and y. So the dihybrid cross का जो रिजल्ट होगा वो यहाँ पे मैंने मेंशन कर दिया, डैट इज कैपिटल R y, कैपिटल R small r y, कैपिटल R small, capital Y small y, capital R small r, capital Y small y, capital small r, capital Y small r, capital Y small y, capital R small y, capital R small y, and small r small y and small y. So if we look at the ratio is 1:2:2:4:1:2:1:1. Now if we are going to compile all this, the final result is going to be 8 by 16 is to 4 by 16 is to 1 by 8 is to 1 by 8. Now if we look, students, here we have completed question number 1 to 30 explanation, and we have gone through the answers also. The remaining 60 questions are going to be uploaded in segments of 30 question. Okay, and after as soon as we are going to complete test paper number 2, we are going to solve the further test papers, so that you people can easily go through the explanation when you are needed. Okay, so if you like the way of my teaching and my explanation, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel Be Expert, and comment down below all your problems and your queries, so that I am going to take that problems and queries of yours in the next video. Okay.